You furthering your own personal life and goals whilst also furthering your professional goals as well. Mae'n very fwy Ellis. Yn 23, I wedi gweithio ar eich. The apprenticeship route has always appealed to me. I've always much preferred like a more practical than academic work thing. Especially wedi cael ei talu hefyd. Mae'n agor y drws I, edrych ar ôl ei hun, a I roi nôl hefyd, Like furthering, obviously, my life and also my skills, my job, my professional and like personal goals. I feel as though I've largely developed my hand skills and my general engineering knowledge, whilst also my ability to interpret technical information. Last year, me and my friend Georgia, one of the Athens other apprentices, we competed in the World Skills competition in Wales, and we won the team manufacturing challenge. We came first place. The highlight of my apprenticeship so far would definitely be the relationship I've developed and the new skills I've acquired while working at eich. The great thing about working with a big team and a variety of people is the large variety of experience they've all had over the years, and they've all been in the aviation industry themselves in different environments over the years, so I'm able to ask them for different things during different tasks. I would definitely recommend the aviation industry, especially with apprenticeships people, because even though it seems like a very high risk and delicate environment to be in, it's actually very laid back as long as we follow the right procedures and the right protocols. It's very fulfilling and rewarding. Dwi eisiau aros ar y tools, definitely ddim eisiau mynd yn an office, dwi eisiau aros ar y tools. A dwi eisiau gweithio ar CFM LEAP pensions. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n industry extremely interesting. Mae'n loads I dysgu, mae'n loads I wneud. Ti ddim yn mynd yn bod, achos mae'n so much I dysgu. I definitely recommend the apprenticeship route.